Okay, we're about to start here.
This is our sweet airsoft video. Hope you like it.
So I might only be able to film one side. And our website at airsoftsplat.weebly.com.
Are you serious? That's the site name?
Yep.
Is that your call now?
Ready? Yeah, let's go.
One shot up!
Oh, I found my stick. Ready? Set. Go.
Wait, did you say one shot up?
Alright. My scope is fogging up.
Then don't use it.
Auto fire! Machine gun!
Hey there.
Did I get you?
It whizzed like past my ear, I heard it. Wow. Oh my God, Craig. It was done. It flew off. Where's Craig?
I don't know.
You need to check.
Got him. Next to the tree.
Yeah?
Yep.
Who?
Greg. Oh.
Oh my God, it went through. No, it didn't. Never mind. Never mind.
Ready? You held up a wrist box?
Yeah.
Watch. Hey, Craig, you got it.
Oh my God, Nick. You know what? You're working out. Nick. Hold on.
Stop wasting a bullet. Watch out, Josh.
One through.
Okay, that's fucking Craig.
Keep the gimbal down.
Oh, he got me. Hello.
Tree's gone. What the crap is that? It's a roll of tape. Wait, what did you say? Craig? What you doing? Who's out? How close is that?
Hit the board right in front of my hand. Okay, don't play at the board.
You have to.
Okay, that works. Yes!
Hold on, I caught your BB, Nick.
You caught it?
I caught it. How? It hit my thumb. It hit the magazine. It hit my thumb.
You're good.
And then
Oh, ricochet.
fire.
Okay, I can't get a good angle.
That's how you move.
Are they up? Are they up?
Hold on. They're up. Did I hit something? I think so.
Was it you? Are they up?
No. Yeah. No, they're not up.
He up?
He's up. Now he's down.
Oh my god. I keep on hitting myself at the
Oh, I just whizzed your head. I know. I heard it.
Nick's up. Down in a big tree. They up?
No.
Yeah.
Sit down. Sit down. Put up angle on him. Just